This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fluid level checks. Engine oil check. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the passenger's footwell. Lift the bonnet slightly, depress the safety catch, fully raise the bonnet and support it with the prop. Withdraw the engine oil level dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and check the oil level indicated. The oil level should be near the upper marking on the dipstick. If not, topping up is required. Rotate the engine oil filler cap anti-clockwise to remove it, then add the correct grade of oil and bring the level to the upper mark on the dipstick. Remember to refit the dipstick and filler cap. Do not overfill. Coolant check. With the engine completely cold, the coolant level should be between the min and max marks on the side of the expansion tank. If topping up is necessary, rotate the expansion tank cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add a 50-50 mixture of water and antifreeze to bring the level up to the max mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The max and min marks are indicated on the reservoir. The fluid level must be kept between the marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, wipe around the filler cap and unscrew it. Add fluid to bring the level to the max mark, then securely refit the filler cap. Only use new fluid from a sealed container. Open the filler cap and top up the Screenwash reservoir with a mixture of water and Screenwash fluid. Don't forget to close the cap. Remove the prop from the bonnet, then clip the prop into the storage bracket and close the bonnet.